Welcome to the Auto Fuse, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Suburban, one of the most iconic full-size SUVs in the market. Known for its massive size and bold presence, the 2025 Suburban continues to build on its legacy with updated styling, improved technology, and enhanced performance features. If you're looking for a vehicle that blends luxury, space, and power, this one deserves a serious look. The 2025 Suburban carries forward its rugged yet refined design, boasting a commanding grille, sleek LED headlights, and sharp body lines that give it a modern edge. It sits on a large frame, providing impressive ground clearance and a road-dominating stance. This year's model also offers several trims, including LS, LT, RST, Z71, Premier, and High Country, giving buyers a wide range of choices depending on their needs and preferences. Under the hood, you'll find multiple engine options, including a 5.3-liter V8, a more powerful 6.2-liter V8, and a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-6 for those looking for efficiency without sacrificing torque. These engines are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, and depending on the trim, you can opt for rear-wheel or four-wheel drive. The Suburban's towing capacity remains impressive, making it ideal for hauling boats, trailers, or campers. Inside, the 2025 Suburban offers a spacious and upscale cabin designed to accommodate up to 9 passengers comfortably. There's ample legroom in all 3 rows, and cargo space is unmatched in its class. The interior features premium materials, an intuitive layout, and soft touch surfaces that enhance comfort and quality. New tech upgrades include a larger infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an optional rear seat entertainment system, and a digital instrument cluster on higher trims. Wi-Fi hotspot capability and multiple USB ports throughout the cabin keep everyone connected on the go. Chevrolet has also prioritized safety in the 2025 Suburban, equipping it with a suite of standard and available driver assist features. These include automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, blind zone alert, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view camera system. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, the Suburban has you covered with confidence and control. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Suburban is more refined, more capable, and more tech-savvy than ever before. It's a fantastic option for large families, adventurers, or anyone needing a powerful SUV with ample space and modern features. With a balance of comfort, performance, and advanced technology, the Suburban continues to be a leader in its segment. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest auto news, reviews, and comparisons, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Auto Pulse Media community. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.